guys doing up there? Oh goodness, I just saw you guys falling. Why are you falling from the sky? Okay. You guys good? You good? Dust you off a little bit. I don't know how long you guys were falling for. I'm glad I stopped by. And then I pulled over, I saw something falling. I'm like, holy crap! That's you guys! Alright. So, what is going on, guys? I am back with another video, and today is the day that we will finally be rallying this car. Rallying. I should put quotations around that because, you know, I'm not gonna be going ham, heel towing, and all that sort of jazz. But we will be taking this thing off-road. We're not gonna be on this road right now. If you guys saw it, maybe you didn't, maybe you did, but it is just a stone path. But let's get right on to the video. I don't know what you guys are doing all the way out here, but this is a crappy road. And I don't know how you guys get out here, but, you know, I'm glad I saw you guys falling because that would have been really, really bad if you would have hit the ground. All right, that's enough of that joke. I won't bring it up anymore. But how's it going, guys? It feels like I haven't been talking in front of a camera for a while, and I know I said that 2 videos ago. But honestly, I've been taking really long breaks without, you know, talking in front of a camera, and it really kind of bugs me. I also want to apologize for my late upload. What was it? 1 video ago. I had troubles uploading it, and, well, I'm not going to bullcrap. I didn't have the correct clips for that segment, so that is the reason for the late upload. I apologize. I know I've been uploading pretty consistently with Monday and Friday. Okay, you know, wind, stop, thank you. Hopefully it's not too bad now, but I need some sort of ventilation because it is hot in Pennsylvania. Pennsylvania weather is just up and down. It's been on and off raining, it's been sunny, it's been cloudy, it's been like everything the past couple of days. But okay, back on topic. What was the topic? Oh yeah, me being late. I know I've been consistent with Monday and Friday uploads, and I apologize for not uploading Monday, but you know, I just didn't have the clips. I was kind of lazy over the weekend, and so that is the reason why I did not have the clips ready for you guys. So I apologize for that, but the upload schedule should be back to normal. This video should be going up Friday, I believe. So yeah, once again, I'm sorry for the late upload, but we have a good video today, or hopefully it's a good video. I don't know why recently YouTube's been like kind of screwing me over with views, and it kind of annoys me because, you know, if you make videos, if you're making content on YouTube, you know how much time and effort it goes into pushing out videos and taking time to edit them. And then when it doesn't do well, it's just, I don't know, it might be me, it might be only me, but it really gets to me whenever, you know, YouTube doesn't share my video or push it out there so other people can see. But as you guys know, recently my videos haven't been getting above 10 views. I know the one with my girlfriend, God, whoa, we are at like 105 at the time of this recording, which is insane for like a video that's been up for, what was it, 2 weeks? 2 weeks or so? That is outrageous. Because as of right now, that video was probably the quickest climbing video, like as of views and all that. It like rocketed in views quicker than my most viewed one. I think that my most viewed is at like 300 right now. I believe so. I think it's the one with my WRX like I've been talking about. But that is the only video that has really gotten like some good views in my recent uploads, which I don't know why. Maybe it's just because I had my girlfriend in it. But like I said in that video, I'm not going to force her to make videos. So we'll see if I can, you know, work something out or, you know, talk her into it. I'm not going to talk to her into it. If she's feeling up to it, whoa, whoa. That was a big bump. I was not expecting that. But like I said, I'm not going to be forcing her or talking to her into it just because, you know, I don't want, she's not the one to, how do I say, she's not too comfortable with this YouTube idea. She doesn't, it's not that she doesn't want to be a part of it, but she doesn't like the idea of like being out there in like the public area or like being a public figure, which is totally fine. I respect her for that, and that's why I'm not going to be forcing her to make videos, but that's just where she stands. So if and when I can make a video with her, I will. Those are the type of videos that people want to see, and you know, I'm fine with that. I mean, it all just depends how she's feeling, and yeah, we'll just take it day by day and step by step, and yeah, we'll see where it goes. All right, enough of me rambling. I'll let you guys know when we're there. Just like that, boys, we are on the roughest road I could probably find. I just found a puddle. You guys already know what we have to do. Yes, I am that childish. Ooh, she looking fine in the sunlight. All right, so that was just a little warm-up of what is to come. Yes, I do know this road. So I know where there is one part in particular that I really want to try. Oh gosh, oh, look at this. It's not gonna capture on GoPro, but this is like, oh gosh, 90-degree downhill. Oh goodness. I'm also trying to take this very slow because I don't want to damage my car too much. Hopefully you guys can hear me because of all the stones and all that. But I know one part in particular where we might be doing some mountain climbing, so to speak. So hopefully I'm near it. Hopefully I can get this done quick because I am hot. I can't have the windows open because it will, well, obviously the wind will, you know, make the audio a little bit, yeah. I'm tired of having bad audio, so I'm gonna suffer for you guys, and we're still gonna find it. If I find another puddle, you best know we're gonna be hitting it again. All right, I think I'm pulling up to it right now. I could be wrong, but I think this is it? Is that it? I think it's it. I think that's it. Okay. So to give you guys a good idea of what we're going to be doing, I'm going to park my car by the bottom of it. Oh, don't stall, don't stall, don't stall. Just so you guys can get a good representation of what we are going to be. Oh, I scraped. All right, let's check this out. So that is how you easily slam your car, but this is what we're gonna be trying to attempt. Probably gonna come up this way, so I'm gonna have to set my GoPro up somewhere around here, but yeah, let's try this somehow. Okay, I think I'm gonna end it there. I mean, I kind of bottomed out. Where did I bottom out a little? I heard my bumper hit a bunch of times. Oh, that was so painful to hear. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's not something you want to see. I think I'm parked over where my bumper hit, but that's all right. We don't need to see that, but look at that. Oh gosh, I really hit that. All right, I think that's a video. I'm probably gonna end it in the freaking car because like there's a bunch of wind and yeah. Actually, it's not really that bad. I might end it out. Who knows? Oh, look at that wheel gap. Oh, just look. Okay, 2 fingers. Not that impressive, but you know, I'll just end the video right here, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Who says Subarus can't be off-roading? Who says Subarus can't do mountain climbs? So anyway, if you are new to my channel, smash that subscribe button to see more videos with me in it. And as always, guys, I will see each and every one of you in my next upload.